Welcome to Artwork Drawing and Design Academy, and a heart full of Diwali wishes for all my viewers who are been viewing me for the first time on YouTube, and also to all my parents and students who have been associated with Artwork Drawing and Academy since more than a decade's time now. Artwork Drawing and Design Academy was established in 2008, and since then we have been nurturing students who aspire to be into the fields of art, as such design, animation, fine art, graphic, product design, and so on. Okay, so I will be talking more about this, but today I would like to take a pleasure of announcing our YouTube channel, which we will be launching from today onwards. And we are what the channel is all about. So channel is going to support you for the fundamental course, for the A level course, for the first level course of fundamental subjects, which an art student or an student who is aspiring to get into the art has to be thorough with. So through this channel, the A level course for all basic fundamental 7 subjects. Now the 7 subjects are memory drawing, object drawing, perspective, design, composition, and fundamental of designs, and color theory. So all the basic assignments and all the fundamental assignments for all 7 subjects will be delivered free on this channel for all the students who want to avail our facilities and who are actually aspiring to get into creative fields, who are trying to rise a level above their inspirational practice which they've been doing, and to get into the developmental practice, which is very important for a person who wants to pursue it as a career. Okay, so this is what we are going to give through our channel in a very systematic and authentic way. Other than that, I am going to talk about my observations and my ideologies of design and art. I have been teaching into many of the designing colleges, specifically NIFT Mumbai, as a visiting faculty. I never taught as a full-time faculty in any of the designing college, but I have been teaching as a visiting faculty there. Also, I am a practicing artist, so you can know about me more if you just type my name. My name is Vaishali Adone, Vaishali Dalvi Adone. Okay, you can check out and you will find more about me on Google. You can just Google my name and you will find more. I will be talking specifically about my journey and my observations through this channel, but I have already mentioned what are the 7 subjects which we are going to deliver from this subject. So if you want to learn about this subject, you can subscribe to our channel, and also to know about this field, because this field is very new. People are really willing to get into designing, but they miss out on a very big picture about designing, because of so many things. Actually, I don't want to mention it here right now. It is only it is only so much that we have been launching our channel, and I am seeking for all your support and love for my channel. And stay tuned with us. We will start uploading our videos from 20th, that is after Diwali. We will soon start uploading our videos, and you can follow up the videos as per they are been uploaded to experience a correct way of learning. If you randomly look at the videos, maybe you will not be able to grasp anything out of it, but we are really willing to give you something, so just follow it according to the instructions given. We will put all the videos for the instructions which are to be followed when the channel is to be followed. Okay, so these are specifically for the students who are in 7th grade and above 7th grade, who are in grade 8th, 9th, 10th, and also 11th and 12th, who are trying to prepare for entrance exams. We have a specific syllabus other than this free channel of YouTube, where you can avail our facilities altogether free. We also train students on a different level, where we review their works and we give our personal attention and personal coaching to all those students. And it is actually a requirement, but that is up to you all to decide. if you want to avail those services, we will be putting our reviews from the students who've been associated with us in those groups. Those groups are, one is the review group, so the students avail our facilities from the review group, and one is the core group where we teach our children online as a core group. We are very specific about students, and we do not take more than 30 students in that group because of the time constraints. Okay, so if at all you think there is a need, we will be putting all the reviews. Looking at the reviews, you will understand. If you want to learn from us specifically on a personal basis, you can get in touch with us. And other than that, if you do not want, if you still want to just continue to learn free, you can avail the channel, and you make sure that you will learn basics in a very systematic and authentic way, and you will also start liking art. I'll make sure that you start loving drawing. Okay, thank you so much for watching me, and stay tuned, and do share my video with everybody who is seeking for getting fundamentals clear and to learn more about creativity, art, and altogether art field. Okay, thank you so much for all the support and love that you've been showing into Artwork Drawing and Design Academy, and do keep loving us, and share our videos to whoever is willing to get into this field. Okay, thank you so much, and have a great Diwali. Thank you so much.